Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, Building C, Lounge, Private Room Key. Where is it? What's behind it? And is it worth it? Well, let's find out. The easiest way to find your way around Northridge or any ABI map is by using my map linked down below. Created painstakingly by hand, listing everything you need to know and much more. Simply come here and type in what you're looking for. In my case, Lounge, Building C, Lounge, Private Room Key. Clicking it, it takes us straight to where we need to be. As you can see, it's on the far southwest side, all the way up in the top floor of the southwest building here, right down on the center south side of the map. All we need to do is open up the map and head across here. So, using the in-game map, zooming in to the far south side here by the hotel, the largest building, Building C, which you'll definitely see from outside, all the way up to the Hotel 3F floor, which is the top floor. Zooming in, this is where we need to head. Keep in mind there's tons of players, tons of AI, super dangerous, but there's also tons of loot. This building is of course the tallest one here, so you definitely won't be missing it. As I'm already inside this building on the second floor, there's a staircase here and a staircase here that can take us up. So let's go ahead and take probably the closest one here. Let's do it. If you find your way upstairs here on this north side, in order to get to the lounge private room, you'll need to head down this passageway here, past Lounge 1, Infirmary, and the last door to your right, Lounge 3, is where we're heading in, where inside of here, to your left, next to these arcade machines and loose loot, you'll find this door here. This is what we're looking for. Unlocking this and heading into it, it contains, in our case, an electronic safe sitting on the table here. This thing can be opened straight away, and inside of it could be some good stuff. Definitely, maybe. It's okay. Could be better. Overall, not too bad. Inside of this room, we also have nothing to our right, nothing at the back, nothing on the left side, and only a jacket on the close wall to the door. This, in my case, didn't contain anything too crazy. Overall, a jacket and a safe is pretty worth it for a key. Is it worth the price though? Well, let me know what you find in this room down below. Again, there's tons of loot inside of this hotel, even more PvP and PvE action, so you'll definitely get your money's worth pretty much no matter what you do here. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Again, you'll find many more useful videos and links in the description down below. Thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.